Are you? Hello again. I'm gonna get my glasses. You know what? I have my glasses. Hold on. Boom. I wish this chair was up. There we go. I could see. I could even read the comments, but I have my Korean phone here. Oh, guess what I found? I found the four like a clover. It's so crazy. I wanted to share the story because it's so crazy. Because yesterday, I was walking. My album came out. I was so happy. I was excited. It was nice weather. I was just walking, and then in Korea they have these food stands. Like it's a food truck basically of like tteokbokki, like odeng. I don't know if you guys have tried this, but there's all that, and then I think it's lagging. Hold on. The comments aren't working. What's going on? See, I can't even load it up. Is it working? Is it my phone? And then I look down, and on this, I guess it's not a table, but at a Korean food truck, you could eat there in front of the food truck. I look down, there's a four-leaf clover. And I was like, huh, what a coincidence that my album just came out and it's called 4444. In my album, for stickers, I have a four-leaf clover. Um, and four-leaf clover obviously has four leaves. Um, is it glitching again? So yeah. Anyways, I want to show you this. It was crazy. Hold on, I gotta take the. It's so I asked someone. I was like, "Is this yours?" And he's like, "No, I don't know why it's there." And I was like, "Crazy! I'm gonna take it." And I put it in the back of my phone, which I'm streaming from right now. So hold on, I have to take it out. I want to be very careful because I don't want to rip it. It's behind my phone. This. So I put it in like this. It's literally stuck now, but I don't want to take it out because I don't want to break it. But isn't that crazy? This is what I found. Yeah. Can you still see me? This fucking app is not apping. Rosarium is not rosariuming. Rosarium is.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree.
This app is not used to
happening right now.
It's not used to
Such hype that are such hype, such hype, such hype.
Rosarium is not used to having such height. They don't know what capable of. Please make your data 1,000 times better.
Not signs, maybe signs, but things like that. And I've been really just. It's been good. It's been, yeah. Crashed again. Wow. So it literally logged me off when I was trying to read the comments. That's crazy. What's going on? You know what? This is what we'll do. Yeah, it's kicking everybody off. Do you guys have station head? 스테이션 헤드 있어요? 어차피 이거 하고 같이 스테이션 헤드 좀 오래 하려고 그랬는데. Do you guys have station head? Let's go listen to some music together. Yeah, it keeps logging me off too. Thank you. These are my reading glasses. Yeah? Station head? Everybody have station head? Okay, everybody, let's go to station head. We'll do some talking while we listen to the album. If you don't have station head, download station head. Or is rosariuming? Is it working? Is the app apping? No. Works now. More better. Yeah, we'll move to station head in a little bit. No, the app is not apping. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Did you guys eat? Yes, the cap is coming out, so you'll be able to get it. No, I see your text now, and it's not kicking me out. So maybe the app is apping. Make sure your team archives it so we can watch this live later. Yes. Please archive this live so people could see this live. Thank you. Back again. Hi, sunshine. Yes. Take your time to download Station Head. And we'll go there and chill. But the app is apping. So the app is not apping. The app is apping. Our team is making the app. So it's working for me. It's not kicking me out. And I could even comment. 이제 안 튕긴다고요? 다행이다. 로자리움 라이브를 길게 해달라고? Yeah, cause if we go to Station Head, you can't see my beautiful face, my beautiful morning face, so okay, most of you are saying the app is apping. 되는 건가? 이제 다시 할게. What time was I supposed to go on station? And hold on. 1:45. 1:45. Yeah. Or Korea time. Let's see. Okay, you guys are everybody in now? Yeah, you know, I mean, Station Head is good. Like I said before, it's nice. But again, Station Head, we can't do this, you know, you can't see my face and like things I want to show you. I would love, like, if you guys didn't see the clover, I showed the clover, and I would not be able to do that on Station Head. So Rosary, so for me, what I want to do, I hope this app has the ability to stream music while you see my face, while you comment. Let's do that. Like that, I think that would be great. And then I could go, and then like we could have the option to go back and, you know, yeah. Anyways, let's do that. Then we don't need to go anywhere. We just do it here. Yeah. Just do it all in one. Live and Station Head at the same. Oh. Would that work? Well, because there's let's see how that would work. Okay. I could do it I could do the live on this phone, do Station Head on this phone, but I feel like once I start talking, the mic will be fucked up. No. Should we try that? Hold on. Oh my god, I'm not on this chat. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, maybe. You know what? This is what we'll try. Hold on. Station Head is. Do I have that on my current phone? Station Head. Okay, let me download Station Head on this phone. Can the team send me the password one more time, please? On my Korean phone? Yeah. Downloading Station Head. Hello from Sydney. Wow, isn't this Rosary and Premium? We got like 2,000 people. That's crazy. 2,000 people is a lot of people. You guys can't even fit in this room. I can maybe fit like 50 in here, max. One sec. I'm logging in, guys. Email. Use email. Paste. I almost said the password out loud. What? Oh my god. I had to see the password. Yes, guys, I cannot see my American phone, so please text me on my Korean phone if you need to. It keeps logging me out if I go out and come back, so yeah. Okay, so now I got Station Head on my Korean. Damn. I'm getting gray hairs. But you know, it is you guys, you know, honestly, you guys break everything. Every time we have technical difficulties, Broses just break everything because they just show so much love, and obviously the app is not ready to receive that much love and send it out. So the app, yeah, logged me off too. Wow. Oops. So I'm gonna go on Stationhead. You can see me? Good. I haven't been moving it. It's, yeah. I know. So yeah, I got Stationhead. I think I'm gonna mute this. I'm gonna mute this, and I can't even mute this, can I? No, you don't need to pretend that you didn't see it. You could see it, because I quit the cigarettes, and then I didn't vape usually, but then I've been vaping a little bit. But I haven't been smoking cigarettes. Okay, I'm gonna go on air here, and let's see what that sounds like. Okay? Alright. Choose song. Browse on Spotify. New releases. How do I search up? Okay. Woo song. 4444. Let's play the whole thing. Oh wow. Is there only... Can I just not add the whole thing? Oh, add all tracks. Okay. Test microphone. Allow. Test microphone. Test microphone. Works. Notify station followers. Sup. Sent it to 4,453 people. Go on there. See, I can't even mute. Then that means I can't listen to the music. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, hold on. What if I... Can you hear me? How is it working? Is it working? Sammy, I'm over this app. Don't be over the app. This is the only app that I told you other apps won't fucking take us. So we had to make this app. So I know the app is not apping, but don't be mad, because this is the only one. This is the only app that we could connect in. The other fucking apps only want big K-pop artists. You know? So it's working? Can you hear me? So what if I put the sound up like this? One time for the days. Is that loud? Does that work? Fuck it. Just, you know what? Please, app, figure it out, and then we'll meet again.
Cause I feel like the mic is gonna fuck it up. Okay, come on, station head, guys. Oh wow, I could invite people to. Oh wow, I could invite people to talk.